Hi students, let's start the IUPAC Nomenclature of Ethers functional group. Okay, so before starting the session, let me tell you the common idea about the IUPAC Nomenclature of Ethers. It's an easy one. First of all, what is the functional group ether? Ether in the sense generally we can express by ROR, or we can represent ROR dash. What is the representation R? R represent alkyl groups. For example, methyl, ethyl, propyl, isopropyl, etc. Right? R group represent alkyl group. Examples are methyl, ethyl, etc. Clear all? Methyl, ethyl, etc. And what is that? This oxygen is there at the center, maybe symmetrical. This R and R both are same, right? If it is methyl, it is methyl. So this is called a symmetrical ether, which means on the oxygen atom, left and right are connected by the same group is called what? Same alkyl group is called symmetric ether. What about this? One R dash, which means the alkyl groups are different. For here, let me give you one example. CH3OCH3. See, here the alkyl groups are methyl and methyl. So this is called symmetrical. Both are same, right? Symmetrical ether. What about here? CH3OCH2CH3. Here the left side, the alkyl group is methyl, right side it is ethyl. So is it symmetrical? No, both are different alkyl group. Therefore we can call unsymmetrical ether. Alright, so R represent alkyl group. What is the meaning of OR? OR. R represent alkyl group. What is OR represent? Alkyl group with one oxygen is known as alkoxy. Alkyl group with oxygen is called alkoxy. For example, suppose the alkyl group is CH3 and there is an oxygen, so we can call it as methoxy, right? Methyl group with oxy is called what? Methoxy. If it is ethyl group with oxy is called ethoxy. Clear all of you? So let me conclude. Ethers are the functional group with a general formula ROR. Means there is a central one oxygen, left and right are connected by different alkyl group, maybe same alkyl group or different alkyl group. If they are same, we will call it as symmetrical ether. If they are different, we will call it as unsymmetrical ether. Clear? And what are the groups present in ether? Alkyl group is there, alkoxy group is there. Okay, alkoxy means there is an alkyl group with oxy is called alkoxy. If it is methyl with oxy is called methoxy. Shall we go for the naming? Let us discuss maximum important nomenclature of ether. Listen carefully. I'm starting with a simplest question. This is a simplest ether, CH3OCH3. Clear? How to identify ethers? Clear? No? One oxygen is there. Left and right side are connected by same or different alkyl group. Correct? So this is an ether. How we can name this ether? Simple. I'll tell you a simple method. Follow for every compound. Here, see, this is the oxygen atom. First, you look into the oxygen atom. Left side and right side, how many carbons are there? Left side here only one carbon, right side also one carbon, so both are same, right? So you can take it as any one of them as a parent chain. As per the IUPAC rule, for every compound, whenever you get any compound, first rule to identify the longest chain. So on the oxygen atom, left and right side, please observe where is the maximum number of carbon, that is your parent chain. But here, all this left and right are connected by only one carbon. So one carbon, let me take it, one of the side, let me take it as parent chain. So I'm representing here a parent chain in a square, and remaining all are your branches or substituent. Okay, so oxygen is there at the center. Just look into the left and right side. Where is the maximum number of carbon? That is your parent chain. Some exceptions are there, I will tell you later. Okay, so here both our carbons are same, so one of them I'm taking it as a parent chain. Parent chain, let me take it in a square. Okay, the remaining one you take it as a branch. Remaining part you take it as a branch. This is the branch. So the square one is the parent chain, the circle one, that is the branch substituent. Clear? Okay, let's go. As usual, for every compound, after identifying the parent chain, what we are doing? we have to number the parent chain in which the branches should get lowest number. There is only one carbon in this case. So first position, what is the name of this branch, dear all of you? As I told you, methyl group with the oxy is known as what? Methoxy. So first position methoxy group is, we can say that the name of the compound is methoxy. What is the parent chain? Only one carbon, methane. Methoxy methane, that is the name. Methoxy methane, that is the IUPAC name of this ether. What is the common name? Okay, what is the common name of this compound? Dear student, there is an oxygen and left and right side both are methyl group, right? So methyl, you separately write the alkyl groups or identify the alkyl group. Here methyl, both are same one here. Two methyl groups are there. So we can call it as dimethyl ether. On this ether, two methyl groups are there. That's called dimethyl ether. Let us discuss so many questions. You will get the track. Second question, let's go for that. Here, this is the oxygen atom. Whenever you get a compound, look into the oxygen. Left side, how many carbon? One carbon. Here, right side, two carbon. So, where is the parent chain? Your right side. This is the longest parent chain. Parent chain, I put in a square, and remaining group, you can take it as a branch or substituent. Clear? So, what is the name of this branch? Can you tell me? Methyl group with oxy is called what, dear all of you? Methoxy. Okay, what is the next step? After identifying the parent chain, we have to number the parent chain in which the branch should get lowest number. So this is number 1, this is number 2. Then only this branch will get lowest number, right? Tell me the name. First position, what do you have? Methoxy. Therefore, 1 methoxy. 1 there is no important. If you're not writing, no problem. 1 methoxy. What is the parent chain? Ethane. 1 methoxy ethane. Clear all of you? 1 methoxy ethane. Let's go for. Okay. What about the common name? What about the common name? Which group you have on the oxygen atom? Which group you have left side? Methyl. Right? This is called what? Methyl. Right side which group? Ethyl. Alphabetical order which is first? M or E? E, right? So we can say ethyl, methyl, ether. Just we are saying which alkyl group present left and right. That's it. Ethyl, methyl, ether. Clear all of you? Let's go for the third question. This is the oxygen atom. Left side 2 carbon, right side 2 carbon. So any one of the side you can consider as the parent chain. Remaining all of them you can take it as a branch. What is the name of this branch? Ethyl group with oxy is known as ethoxy. Ethyl group with oxy is called ethoxy. Okay, the branch should get lowest number, right? So number 1 here, number 2 here. First position, ethoxy. What's the name? 1 ethoxy. 1 ethoxy. What is the parent chain? 2 carbon. Ethane. Ethane. Can you tell me what is the common name? What can be the common name? Left side ethyl, right side also ethyl. Both are same, right? So you don't need to write ethyl, ethyl, ether. Okay, both are same, right? So we can use diethyl ether. We can say that diethyl ether. That is the IUPAC name of the compound. Clear now? Let's go for some more question. Question number 4. This is the oxygen atom ether. Left side 2 carbon, right side 3 carbon. Of course, our parent chain is right side. This is the longest chain. So remaining all of them, you can take it as a branch substituent. Ethyl group with oxy, we will call it as what, dear all of you? Ethoxy. Branch should get lowest number. So number 1, 2, 3. First position ethoxy. So we can say 1 ethoxy. What is the parent chain? 3 carbon, right? Propane. 1 ethoxy propane. Easy, right? What is the common name? Please identify which group present on the oxygen atom, which group present left and right. This is ethyl, this is propyl. Yes or no? This is ethyl, this is propyl. E, P. Ethyl E, propyl P, which is alphabetical first E first. So we can say ethyl, propyl, ether. Ethyl, propyl, ether. Clear all? Ethyl, propyl, ether. What about this system? Carefully, okay? Carefully. Now onwards, we should be more concentrated. Where is the oxygen? This is the oxygen atom. Left side total how many carbon? 1, 2, 3 carbon. Right side only 1 carbon. So definitely your parent chain is left side. Okay, left side. So left side, which is the longest chain, we can take it. This is the longest chain. Once again, I'm repeating all of you. You can see that left side here, there are 3 carbon, right side only 1 carbon. Of course, your parent chain is left side. In left side, which is the longest chain, we can consider this is the longest chain. Clear all? Okay. Then remaining group, you can take it as a branch. Methyl group with oxy is what we can call methoxy, right? Methoxy. Let's go for the name. Before that, we have to number the parent chain in which the alkoxy or whatever the branches should get lowest number, methoxy. So we can say 1, 2, 3 or 1, 2, 3. In second position, they're common. Second position, what you have? 2 methoxy. 2 methoxy. What is the parent chain? 3 carbon? Propane. 2 methoxy propane. Clear all? 2 methoxy propane. That is the IUPAC name of this compound. What is the common name? What is the common name? All of you, the oxygen atom, left side. Do you remember what is the name of this common branch? We discussed in alkane part. A CH carbon connected to 2 CH3 group is called, this branch is called isopropyl branch, and this is symbol methyl branch. So what we can say? Isopropyl methyl ether. What is the meaning? There is an isopropyl group and there is a methyl group on an ether. That's the meaning of isopropyl methyl ether. Clear all of you? Okay, next question. Question number 6. Now we are going to some not a difficult type. I told you, follow the method, easy one. Some complicated questions, but answering is easy. Okay, where is your oxygen atom? Oxygen is here, no problem. Where is the parent chain? Left side, total you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 carbons are there. Here 2 carbons are there. Where is the parent chain? Left side. So in the left side, you take a longest chain. Which is the longest chain in left side? This is the longest chain, right? Or you can take this one. Total 4 carbons are there in the parent chain. So remaining all are branches, dear all. So this is called what? Methyl. What is this one? Ethyl group with oxy is called what? Ethoxy. These are the 2 branches. Clear all of you? On the oxygen atom, left side total you have 5 carbon. Right side you have only 2 carbon. So left side is your parent chain. In left, look into the left side, which is a continuous chain here. This is the one is the maximum carbon chain. So butane is the parent chain. There is a methyl group here, ethoxy group here. After identifying the parent chain, we know the rule. After identifying the parent chain, we have to number the parent chain carbon atom where the branches should get lowest number. Here ethoxy is there, methyl is there. Dear student, please note it. Alkoxy group having more priority than alkyl group. Okay, very important point. Alkoxy. What is alkoxy? Methoxy, ethoxy, propoxy, isopropoxy. Those kind of compounds having more priority than normal alkyl group. So this is the alkoxy, ethoxy group here. It should get lowest number because this is the highest priority group. Number 1, 2, 3, 4. Clear all of you? And while writing the name, as usual, we have to follow alphabetical order. This is starting with E, this branch is starting with the M, which is alphabetical first, E is first. So we can say 1 ethoxy, first position there is an ethoxy group. 3 methyl, third position there is a methyl group. 1 ethoxy, 3 methyl and total 4 carbons are there. We can call it as what? Butane. Clear all? 1 ethoxy, 3 methyl, butane. 1 ethoxy, 3 methyl, butane. Clear all? Okay. Question number 7. In question 7, where is oxygen? Yes, here is the oxygen. Careful this question, okay? It's important. In this question, how many carbon left of the oxygen? 3 are there. Right side 2 are there. As per the rule we studied, definitely you will go to this is the parent chain, but wrong here. Because left side is an alkane, right side is an alkene. As per the priority order of functional group, dear all of you, alkenes having greater priority than alkane and alkyne. Okay, alkene if it is there, it having greater priority than alkane and alkyne, triple bond. Okay, so alkene, even though there is 2 carbon, here actually 3 carbons are there, here only 2 carbon, but your major group, parent chain is here because double bond is the next important functional group after this. Okay, so single bond and double bond, if it is there, you have to give preference for which one? Double bond. So your parent chain is here, all of you. Okay, careful, these some exception cases. Here we can write, so what is this? This is the whole branch. You know, CH3, CH2, CH2 is called, CH3 is called methyl, CH3, CH2 is called ethyl, CH3, CH2, CH2 is called propyl. This is called propyl group with oxy. Methyl group with oxy is, you will call methoxy. Ethyl group with oxy is called ethoxy. So propyl group with oxy is called what? Propoxy. What is called? Propoxy. Clear all? Propoxy. Okay, so this is the compound. What is that? What is this? Ethene, right? Ethene is the parent chain. So your branch should get lowest number, right? So number 1 here, number 2 here. What is the name? 1-propoxy. 1-propoxy. First position there is a propoxy. 1-propoxy ethene. Parent chain is what? Ethene. Clear all? So this is an important point. If there is a double and single bond systems are given on the left and right side of the oxygen ether atom, very careful, alkenes you have to give most priority. I will give you some more example regarding this topic. Next one, question number 8. See all of you, same pattern. In this question, where is the ether? This is the ether oxygen atom. Left side 2 carbon, right side 2 carbon. Both are same. Left side there is a double bond, right side there is a triple bond. As I told you, double bond having more priority than which one? Triple bond. So you have to go with left side is the parent chain. Clear all? So this is the parent chain. This is the all called the branch. What is the parent chain here? Ethene. What is the name of this branch, dear all? You know, C triple bond C. 2 carbon with a triple bond is called ethine. Yes or no? Ethine, alkyne. It is an alkyne. There are 2 carbon. So we will call ethine. Ethine. So this is called ethine with oxy. What you can call? Ethine oxy. Ethine oxy, or you can call it as ethinoxy. Okay, ethine oxy. Ethine group is there with oxy is called ethine oxy. This is the branch, right? It should get lowest number. So 1 here, 1, 2 here. So we can say 1 ethine oxy. 1 ethine oxy. What is the parent chain? Ethene. 1 ethine oxy, ethene. Clear all? Understood? Next one. All of you see question number 9. In question number 9, we can see that where is the oxygen? Here is the oxygen. Okay. Right side only 2 carbon. At the left side 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 carbon. No doubt here all are alkanes, right? Left and right both are alkane. So this is the longest chain. This is the longest chain. All right, fine. And what is the branch? This is the entire one we can consider as a full branch. Ethyl group with oxy, what we can call? Ethoxy. Ethoxy. All right. And we can number the parent chain in which the branch should get lowest number. Left to right or right to left. Where the ethoxy group get lowest number, dear all? I think right to left, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Third position, what do you have? 3 ethoxy. 3 ethoxy. What is the parent chain? Total 7 carbon. We can call it as heptane. Heptane. 3 ethoxy heptane. Now it's easy. Now is it easy? How to write the IUPAC name of ether? Okay. Next one. Question number 10. Let's see all of you. Question number 10. Where is oxygen? Here is the oxygen atom. Left side there are 3 carbon. Right side 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 carbons are there. Definitely your parent chain is on right side. Look into the right side. Take a longest continuous chain. This is the longest continuous chain here. So this is a branch. What is the name of this branch? Methyl. And this is another branch. What is the name of this branch? We already discussed before a C. What is the name of this branch? A CH carbon connected to 2 CH3 group is called isopropyl group. Isopropyl. Why isopropyl? You consider, you just cover the CH carbon. See the left, see the 2 carbon, 2 group which is connected. Methyl and methyl. Both are same, right? That's called iso. Iso means same. So this is called iso. Total 3 carbon. So isopropyl. Isopropyl with oxy is called what? Isopropoxy. Isopropoxy. Alright. And this is an alkoxy group. Correct? This is an alkyl group with oxy. Alkoxy group. This is simple alkyl group. I told you alkoxy group having more priority than alkyl. So this should be number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4. Tell me which will you write alphabetical order first. This is starting with the M, starting with the I. Right? I. So we can say 1 isopropoxy, 1 isopropoxy, and third position methyl, 3 methyl, total 4 carbon chain butane. Hope you clear. Question number 11, dear all. See that where is oxygen? Here is the oxygen. Left side 2 carbon, right side 3 carbon, both are alkane, and there is a chlorine also. So 2 carbon, 3 carbon. Definitely which is your parent chain? This is the parent chain. So this is one branch, this is another branch, substituent. Ethyl group with oxy is called what? Ethoxy. Chlorine what we will call? Chloro. Okay, which is the major functional group here? The major substituent is, dear student, alkoxy only. Okay, halogens are very lowest priority group. So where we should provide number 1, number 1, 2, 3. Now we can go for the naming. When you're writing, these are two different substituents. One is starting with a C, one is starting with the E, which is alphabetical order first. A, B, C, D, E, right? C first. So we can say third position chlorine, therefore 3 chloro. First position ethoxy, therefore 1 ethoxy, 3 chloro, 1 ethoxy. What is the parent chain? 3 carbon is there, therefore it is called propane. Understood here all? Same procedure. Okay. Question number 12. You know this ring is called what? Cyclohexane. Okay, we will discuss in another video what cyclic compound how to name. This is 6 carbon in the other. This is called cyclohexane. What is this group? This group is called ethyl. C2H5 is called ethyl group. Ethyl group with oxy is called what? Ethoxy, right? Ethoxy and ethyl group. Fine. Now, which is major? We know alkoxy groups are more priority than alkyl group. So this carbon should be number 1, number 2, number 3. But the question, which will you write first? Which will you write first? Whether ethyl or ethoxy? Here starting with E, starting with E. Then, so both are same, right? Look into the next letter. T, T, H, H. Here Y, O. Which is alphabetical order first, Y or O? L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, Y, right? So O will come first. So we can say 1 ethoxy, 1 ethoxy, 3 ethyl, 3 ethyl. What is the parent chain? Cyclohexane. Cyclohexane. You're all clear? 1 ethoxy, 3 ethyl, cyclohexane. What about this compound? It's a bond line representation. Make them into the normal format. Yes, possible. This carbon. Okay, this carbon, 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 carbon. What is this carbon? CH3, CH, CH2, CH3, CH, CH3, CH2. Let me make them into the normal format. Okay, I'm starting from this CH3 carbon. Okay, the CH3. Okay, the CH3. It is connected to one CH. Okay. The CH contain one ethyl group down, right? Okay, CH2, CH3. The CH connected to one oxygen. This oxygen also contain one ethyl group. So CH2, CH3. Check it all of you. This is the normal format. Now we can make them into the normal format or the structure. Where is oxygen? This is the oxygen. Left side total 4 carbon, right side only 2 carbon. Both are alkane. So parent chain is left side. Which is the longest chain left side here? This is the longest chain here. So remaining all of them you can consider as a branch. That is this called group is called ethoxy. Branch should get lowest number. So I think start from here the numbering. Second position ethoxy. So what's the name? 2 ethoxy. 2 ethoxy. Total 4 carbon containing chain is called what? Butane. 2 ethoxy butane. Clear all? 2 ethoxy butane. That's it. Question number 14. In this compound, what can be the name? So I hope you get already the method how to write the nomenclature of ether. Just pause the video. Just do the question number 14. Anyway, I will explain now. Here, left side, this is the oxygen. Left side 1 carbon, right side total 4 carbon. So your parent chain definitely on right side. In the right side, which is the longest chain? Either you can take 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, all are same. So let me take it any one of them. This is a 1, 2, 3. Propane is the chain. Remaining all are branches. What is methyl group with oxy is called? Methoxy. Methyl group, it is there. Now number the parent chain in which the branches should get lowest number. So here I can write 1, 2, 3 or 1, 2, 3. In both cases, second position, 2 groups are there. Fine. Methyl and methoxy, when you're writing alphabetical order, say meth is same. Here O and here it is Y. So O coming first, right? Alphabetical order. So we can say that methoxy you should write first. Second position methoxy. Therefore 2 methoxy. 2 methoxy. Second position methyl. 2 methyl. 2 methoxy, 2 methyl, parent chain contain 3 carbon, so we will call propane. Clear? 2 methoxy, 2 methyl, propane. Now, what is the common name of this compound here? All of you, do you remember? Let me just remove all these things. This is the oxygen atom. Left side is a methyl group. Right side, do you remember what is the name of this branch? We discussed in alkane part. 1 carbon connected to 3 methyl group is called tert-butyl group. That is the name of the branch. This is simple methyl. This is tert-butyl group. 1 carbon connected to 3 methyl group is called tert-butyl. So what is a common name you can say for this compound? This is called tert-butyl methyl ether. Alright, so methyl tert-butyl ether. Keep in mind, this is called tert-butyl. Okay. Anyway, this is the IUPAC name. Now, I am going to discuss about some aromatic ether, which means they contain benzene ring. Benzene with the OCH3. So, this is the oxygen atom. There is a methyl group right side. What is the name of this branch you can say now? Dear all, C6H6 is called what? Benzene, right? This is called C6H6 or we can call it as benzene. Benzene, each carbon contain hydrogen atom, correct? Because there are 6 carbon, 6 hydrogen. When it lose one of the hydrogen, what is the remaining system? When it lose from benzene C6H6, when it lose one of the hydrogen, then remaining this position is vacant, right? This is known as what? Phenyl. Phenyl. So what is the formula? C6H5. So from benzene, when it lose one hydrogen, then the remaining species or substituent is or the branch is known as phenyl branch or phenyl group. So this is, dear student, this is oxygen, this is methyl group, this is phenyl ring. Okay. So what is the name of this compound? You can see here methyl group with the oxygen is there. So we can call methoxy, generally benzene. Either we can call methoxy benzene. That is the IUPAC name, methoxy group on benzene. Or you can say here, because the maximum carbon here only, 6 carbon, methoxy benzene. Or you can call the common name, this is methyl group. As individual I told you, this is phenyl group. We can call methyl phenyl ether. What's the name? Methyl phenyl ether. That is the common name. This is IUPAC, this is common. So methoxy benzene is called IUPAC name. Methyl phenyl ether is called common name. If it is so, what is the name? One more thing. There is a special common name for this compound. This compound is also known as anisole. Anisole. So keep in mind, benzene with OCH3 group is known as anisole. 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 What about 16th compound? Here you can observe oxygen is there. This is ethyl group and phenyl group. So as per IUPAC name, what we can say? Ethyl group with oxy is called ethoxy. Ethoxy, they are present on a benzene ring. So ethoxy benzene. This is methoxybenzene, so this is ethoxybenzene, or what you can call ethyl phenyl ether. Ethyl phenyl ether. There is no other specific name for this compound like anisole. Okay, anisole means benzene with what? OCH3, and benzene with OCH2 CH3 is called ethoxybenzene or ethyl phenyl ether. Clear all? One last, a specific, a different type of question we can observe. It's a little confusing, right? But easy one. In this question, you can able to understand there are two ether. This is a diether. Yes or no? It's a diether. Two oxygens you can all observe. One oxygen here, one oxygen here. Follow the rule common. On this oxygen atom, left side 1 carbon, right side 2 carbon. On this oxygen atom, right side 1 carbon, left side 2 carbon. So in any ether, when you consider, your parent chain is this side because there are 2 carbon together. If you're taking that's a parent chain, definitely the remaining all groups are your branches. Methyl group with oxy is called what, dear all of you? Methoxy. This is also called what? Methoxy. Branches should get lowest number, such a way you have to number the parent chain. You can write here 1, 2 or 1, 2. Both are same. First and second position, 2 methoxy groups are there. Correct or not? So we can say 1, 2 dimethoxy. What? First and second position, 2 methoxy groups are there. So it is called 1, 2 dimethoxy. What is the parent chain? Ethane. You understood? Easy? Alright. So this is the way how to name this ether for normal ether and also aromatic ether like anisole, like methoxybenzene, ethoxybenzene, etc. Hope you clear the concept and how to write the IUPAC name of ethers, dear all of you. Please keep on trying and keep on finding. Just find one question. Just write your own answer. Okay, from this video also, when you're watching the video, when I'm just giving you one of the question, just pause the video and try to write your own answer as per the method and cross check with the explanation. Hope you're clear. Thank you all. So we can meet with some other functional group naming in the coming classes. Thank you all. Bye.